Have you ever wondered why so many people don't start their YouTube channel? Or even when they start the YouTube channel, they don't even post a video? There's a lot of cap going on YouTube. And a lot of people saying different things that's causing people to just say, it ain't even worth it. I'm not even going to try to even start a YouTube channel, just like me. Years ago, I had a YouTube channel. I made the channel, made videos, but I got scared and got nervous because nobody was watching my videos. Because I was listening to those people saying, oh, it's so hard to do a YouTube channel. It's so hard to get viewers. It's so hard, and this and that. I started believing it. But after posting over 200 videos in less than 4 months, these are 3 myths I don't believe anymore since posting those videos. And that's what we're going to talk about. The 3 myths I do not believe anymore since I posted over 200 videos on my channel. Let's get into it. Because so many people perpetuate the myths that YouTube is hard. YouTube, you can't go on YouTube. You won't be monetized. It's going to take you years. And I said, man, I started believing that. And that's why I shelved my first channel in 2012. And I said, oh man, I'm not even going to even attempt to keep on posting videos. I'm not going to even attempt to go live. And that's what happened. But these myths that we're talking about is the myths that help people get stuck. And I don't want you to get stuck. So let's get right into it. The first myth that people get stuck on is you have to have a niche. You have to have a niche. That will cause me to be stuck for years. I said, what's my niche? What's my niche? And trying to figure out what's my niche, I could have made videos. Because truth be told, you are the niche. That's number one. Don't get stuck trying to figure out what your niche is. The truth of the matter is, let's break that myth. You are the niche. Type in the comment section, hashtag, I'm the niche. Because you are the niche. You are the person that people are coming to watch. You are the person people are coming to listen to. You are the person that people are saying they have so much value. I want to keep on listening to what they have to say. You are the niche. Because when I started my channel in 2012, I knew what I wanted to talk about, but I didn't know how to formulate it. I got people to watch the channel, but I have people to stay on the channel. I'm the niche. I was trying to be like somebody else. I'm the niche. I have to be myself. I'm the niche. I want you to say, I'm the niche. Let's break that myth. You don't need a niche. You need yourself. And be yourself. Create those videos about yourself because you are the niche. Your experience, your perception, everything you went through is not for you. It's for those that's assigned to you. That's why you are the niche. Let's break that myth. The myth that you need a niche, you are the niche. You just have to figure out how you're going to give it to those people that's assigned to you. That's myth number 1. Myth number 2, it's so hard in this YouTube world to create thumbnails and to upload videos and to create videos. No, that's a myth. Back in the days, yeah, it was hard. Back in the days when YouTube first started, yeah, it was hard. You had to get a $2,000 camera, and then after you get a $2,000 camera, you had to have internet, and the internet cost so much back then. Then after you get the internet, then you had to upload. It used to take hours to upload a video on YouTube. How many people of my age, when YouTube first started, you would upload a video to YouTube, it might take 4, 5, 6 hours just to upload. Back in the days, you had the little spinning circle. You come back 3 hours later, it's halfway uploaded. Then after it's uploaded, then it got a format. And then all that stuff, it might take you a whole day to upload a video. Yeah, but now, you're breaking that myth. It's not hard to upload the videos to YouTube. It's not hard to create a thumbnail. It's not hard to get titles. You're just breaking that myth right now. You got a phone, you have a camera on your phone, you don't need a $4,000 or $3,000 camera. You don't got to buy a $2,000 mic or $500 mic or $300 mic. You got the microphone on your phone, you got the camera on your phone, you already got the phone, so you can start for free. Let's break that myth. You don't have to have all that expensive equipment. just to get on YouTube. That's myth number 2. I'm hoping you're writing this down. Write this down. This is the last one. Myth number 3. It's, I have what it takes. And what's the myth? Nobody's gonna watch my videos because it's hard out here. That's a myth. That's a myth. Remember I told you it took me years to figure out what my niche is, The myth that's connected to that, nobody's gonna watch your videos. That's a myth. People will watch your videos once they realize who you are. People are gonna watch your videos once they realize you are here for them. Once you release that answer to the question that they have, they will come and they will stay. Let's break that myth that people will not watch your videos. That's a myth. Even the channel that I made in 2012, I got a video out there that got over 13, almost 14,000 views. I haven't posted on that channel in years, but I got over 14,000 views on one video. YouTube is making money. Somebody's watching the videos, so somebody will watch your videos. The myth is nobody will watch your video. That's a myth. We just broke that myth. So look, those are the 3 myths I do not believe anymore since posting over 200 videos on my channel. And I hope this is helping you and helping some people out there, because myths are real. There's a lot of people out there capping, saying, oh man, you can't do this, you can't do that, it's hard. Oh man, you need to pay people to do a thumbnail. Oh man, you need to pay people to do your videos, edit your videos. You need people this, you need people that. No, you can do it yourself. You can even edit the videos on your phone. So, if this video has helped you, type in the comment section. Because you see I'm driving. I just want to make this video to make sure that everybody in the My Time community understand. After creating over 200 videos, I don't believe those 3 myths anymore. If I don't believe it, you don't have to believe it. Get on YouTube. Create your videos. Create those thumbnails. Create content for the people that's assigned to you, because they're waiting for you. You are the answer. Hashtag I'm the answer. Put in the comment section. Hashtag I am the niche. Put in the hashtag in the comment section. Because I want you to grow. I want you to get to that place where you say you need to go. Monetization. Not just monetization, helping those people that's assigned to you. Because this is my life. This is my experience. This is my time.